diving service here. We're in the vessel Que Siera, Ortega, later, well, port 32. Okay, yep, she was pretty heavily fouled. Let's take a look. You need max prop 6 or your propeller 6 very soon, and you need the split ring very soon. I do want to show you this, the boot stripe Que Siera. Maybe we can hit it with some hole spray. Not cleaning up very well. It's not going to clean up very well. I definitely recommend raising the bottom paint from here up to about there, and then be able to avoid having it like that.